Giovana.
And I'm Manuela.
We are from 8th grade.
And today we will make cookies!
The ingredients are sugar, brown sugar, flour, butter, salt, egg,
Chocolate chips and baking powder.
Let's mix! The first step is butter and sugar. Now we mix. Now is the egg. Let's mix. After the flour. Then mix. Add a pinch of salt and chocolate chips. Now we're gonna to shape the cookies. Now we're gonna to put the cookies in the oven at 180 degrees for 50 minutes.
That's the result! Bye!